people of the internet. In case you can't tell, this is the guy from Jeffrey's videos. Yeah. Go watch that, and also follow All the Toys on Instagram.
All the Toys 2022.
Yeah. Anyways, this is gonna be a toy review of this Cad Bane action figure. Now, I haven't seen Clone Wars or the Batch, which I believe is what he's featured, but I have seen the Book of Boba Fett, and let me tell you, he was pretty awesome in there. So, yeah, let's take a better look at the packaging. Here's a closer look. You can see he has these blasters. On the side, you got that, and on the yellow side, this says a Cad Bane right there. You can't see, but yeah, that's what that says. Not a big fan of how it's non-symmetrical, but I feel like it worked pretty good. And on the back here, shows him. And in case this says is a ruthless bounty hunter from the planet Duro. Cad Bane is a permanent blaster. Blaster for high. And the galaxy at the time of the Clone Wars, and of course, it's too dangerous for Bane if the price was right. And in case you're wondering if what all that other stuff is, it's just that in other words. So yeah, pretty nice packaging, nice figure too. But before we get in, my only kind of complaint is these, the metal things on his arms are blue. In the Book of Boba Fett, I know right here it says Star Wars: The Clone Wars, but not sure if it's like that in the show, since I've seen the first episode of that. But anyways, try and save the packaging, and let's get them open.
Sure, yeah, it is nice art. Did you have another figure you're gonna have me tell you could show while I get this open?
Yes, and I also have a little scene action planned.
Oh, good. Got a lot of little pieces of tape on this.
But you're gonna have to stick to the end. Yeah. Please don't fast forward. I mean, you want to see the review, right? Please don't fast forward. And also, check out our Instagram. So business is booming. That's the whole reason we're actually doing this YouTube channel. I doubt we're gonna make any ad revenue. So yeah, it's mostly just kind of to advertise that. And also for fun. I don't know, we'll hurt and show and stuff like this. You know?
Oh, this hat's removable.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
At first I was like, oh no, I just oh, actually, we're okay.
Spoiler alert for the Book of Boba Fett Season 1 finale coming in 3, 2, 1. And so, yeah, you can make his hat fall off like when it does, when he dies in Boba Fett. It was actually technically better than I thought, because this hat has the metal stuff like on the show, which I did not see through the packaging. So yeah, that's nice. Now let's get these blasters in his hand. So I think they go in there, being the gun of them and stuff. I don't know how to get them in there. This is like the perfect thing to have extra hands. Oh, and he also has this little bag. Really nice. For conveniency, we're just gonna take off his hat. Doesn't look as good, but easier to. Oh, I guess this works.
Sorry to interrupt. Corporate has asked me to find the differences between these two figures, and I can't find any. I don't know. Put in the comments below. I mean,
yeah,
it's the same person, right?
Yeah, I mean.
And remember, spoiler warning, Book of Boba Fett, Remember when Cad Bane was like, "You wanna tango with the Rango?"
No, but one of the reasons that I actually really like Cad as a character, at least from what we saw in the couple spoiler again, he killed Cad Bane. I don't pronounce his name. I mean, technically, he's being applied as a backup, at least for the time being. I didn't like that guy in case. And you can even put his guns in his holsters, which is really cool, right? See? You can put his guns in the holsters.
That's a nice feature.
Yeah, and as you can see, these things are not blue. Is that? Why is this little neck part right there green?
Sunburned.
I guess all that stuff is kind of green, but if you have his hat on, it looks more black. Huh. Anyways, here's the back of him. So now let's get his guns in his hands. Right now they're in his holsters. Could you put them in?
Sure. Yeah.
Here's Boba Fett. Pretty old. Look at him. Do you see him?
Struggling here.
You got one of them, 1%.
Yeah. There we go. I lost the hat. Oh, you got the hat. Okay.
What's that doing? Anyways, here he is, blasters and all. This is his bag on his back.
Is it a detachable kind of bag? It's like a satchel, detachable satchel.
I don't think it's detachable.
It's kind of swings there.
Yeah, but anyways,
Is it filled with spice?
I don't know, but right here you can see this little flashlight kind of thing. I'm not sure what that.
It's a nice figure. Very detailed.
Yeah, how do you rate him? Let's go to 1 to 10.
I say a 8, well, a 9. Because I do really like that there's a removable hat, and the holsters for guns that work is my favorite part. It's really detailed. Maybe it's not like 100% accurate, and it's a little pretty hard to get the guns in the hands, but other than that, what's your rating?
Honestly, I think it might be 10 out of 10. I mean, it's very nice.
Yeah.
And I'm excited to see more of them in the Clone Wars. And also, this dude's gonna have a lot of ability. Okay.
That's true.
Anyways, do you think it's time for the skit?
Sure.
Okay. Hey, get out of here. Oh wait, I forgot I don't have any blasters. So So yeah.
He's dead. He, unlike everyone else, shot at the part of him that's not covered in Beskar.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a pretty nice figure. From the vintage figures,
A little bit of height difference here.
yeah.
I don't know if Cad Bane's really that tall, or if Boba Fett's really that short. Probably more equal. Well, we'll have to get a Black Series Boba Fett and have a rematch.
Yeah, and hopefully that version of Blaster Spell. Let's look at this guy. Or, his head looks kind of weird with the hat off.
That's why he wears the hat, because he's embarrassed of his odd-shaped head.
And if you put the hat like this, you can now have a cool entrance. Oh, no. Hey, guys! Hey, guys! So, yeah, 10 out of 10 for me. Now, it's kind of weird with his head part. It looks green. I swear in the show it's black. But from a certain point of view, it does kind of look black. It's weird. But I prefer him with the hat on. I can say that much.
Quick question for you. As long as we got all this set up and stuff, do you want to do a second video with that Joker? As long as we're here.
What do you mean? What is that?
Like toy review?
Oh.
Unboxing for the toy review channel?
Oh, yeah.
What we're doing right now?
So, yeah, 10 out of 10 for me and a 9 out of 10 for you. I really like how the hat comes. And I like how the blasters go in the holster. Anyways, I think that's going to be a wrap.